Are you planning to store your generator? If yes, then it is essential to prepare your generator for storage. Continue watching and learn how to do it like a pro. Step 1. Deal with the fuel. Do not leave fuel in your generators as it will cause fuel deterioration and oxidation. It results in the following problems: clogging of the fuel system, formation of gum deposits in the fuel channels. 2 ways to tackle this. Use a fuel stabilizer to keep the fuel fresh for almost 2 years. Drain the fuel tank. Step 2. Engine oil. To change the engine oil, follow the steps given below. Remove the spark plug and pour clean oil into the cylinder. Pull the starter rope several times to distribute the oil in the cylinder. Reinstall the spark plug. Slowly pull the starter rope until you feel resistance. Storing the engine in this position protects it from internal corrosion. Step 3. Check for damaged parts. Identify the damaged parts by thoroughly inspecting the generator and replace them. Now, if you wish to prevent the generator parts from getting damaged or corroded, follow these preventive measures. Clean rust and corrosion on spark plugs or battery terminals using WD-40 multifunction product. Protect the rubber wheels from fading and cracking with WD-40 Specialist silicone lubricant. Prevent rust buildup in the handles and other metallic parts with WD-40 multi-use product. Step 4. Final wipe down and storage tips. Use a clean, wet cloth to wipe down the outer surface of the generator. Storage tips. Choose a well-ventilated space for storage that is not high in humidity. Avoid placing the generator next to any appliance that uses flame, such as a geyser. Always keep the generator on a leveled surface, as tilting may cause fuel or oil leakage. Avoid covering the generator in a plastic sheet. Instead, use breathable covers that are dust-proof. We hope that you find this video helpful.